welcome to another episode of MASM 32 tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach all of you how to input a byte, which can be very useful for your program. I mean, why is it a program when you can't even input a byte? So it's pretty simple. First, you need to move AX. You need to move the instruction code into the AX. In this case, we have 01H. Next, as usual, we do int21H, which is our interrupt. So let's run and see. Very sorry, it should be AH instead of AX. Sorry for my very careless mistake here, so let's run and see. So when I type A, as you can see, I have input an A. Okay, so you might be wondering, where exactly is this byte stored? For your information, it is stored in AL. So let's say I have a variable called myvar, and we give it a size of db, and we put a question mark or 0 to tell the program that it is actually it is basically in uninitialized. So I'll put 0, or you could put a question mark as well. So I'll give you a second to think about destination. The destination is myvar, and we are moving from AL, like what I said just now. So why would I say it is stored in AL? Well, to actually confirm this and check if it is true, when we run this, we press an A, and you can see in the AL, the lower part of the AEX register, it is 61. Why is it 61? We'll take a look at the ASCII table. Now I'm looking for the letter A, and as you can see, the hexa is 61. It is 61 is referring to the character lower A. So I've moved it into my var, and how will it display it? I'll give you another 5 seconds to think. Oh, sorry, I'll put it back. Okay, so basically I've taught this in the previous video, and if you can remember, the instruction code is 02H. So move AH 02H, and we need to move it to DL, and it's from my var. NT21H, which is the interrupt. And finger crossed, I hope it works. So I press an A. Interestingly, it doesn't work. So interestingly, I've just found out a thing. You can't do this, you can't move from AL to myvar before the interrupt. You have to do it after this, otherwise it doesn't work. So we'll try again. We'll read a byte, and we'll start moving only after int21H. So we are moving from AL to myvar. So let's try this again. I type an A, and A is displayed. So basically this is all it, and I hope you learn a bit from this video and you could apply this knowledge to your project. Thank you, and see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.